my today's excuse not to go to gym. I just don't want to go outside. Guess what? I had to come out. We ran out of toothpaste. I was planning not to go out, you know. Look at all the snow, man. Look at all this. Look at the layers of the hats that I have. 3 layers, you know. Okay.
Eskimo. Gonna make a snowman, right? MIPHAM? And this is for the hand, eyes. Yeah, we got 2. Or we can get the orange color. Look, we got orange color too.
Alright, so 아버지 미팜 거 लागि snowman बनाउनु so that we could do some photo shoot. So Daddy's getting ready.
Yeah, man.
Mipam, what are you doing there?
We're gonna make a snowman.
Snowman.
Yeah.
All right. After that, we're gonna do a photo shoot. So like it's for the MIPHAM first snow photo shoot. Right. So we are very excited. Let's see.
Let's do it.
Snow.
Zoom.
Zoom. I did it. Yeah.
Look.
All right. Let's go. Look at Daddy.
Second part done. Back strong mana है So कपाल है यो I
That's lucky, man. मलाई चाहिँ के लाग्छ भनेपछि हुन्छ नि as being a photographer or videographer हुन्छ नि like I always take picture of people हुन्छ नि so I feel like those people are really lucky हुन्छ नि because like you never get to capture yourself. त्यसपछि after a few years you don't have any memories of yourself हुन्छ नि except of the people that you took pictures हुन्छ नि I wish if someone could take picture for me as well. Just like that हैन
यस्तो त गाउँमा त्यो हिलोले बनाउने बानी भएर क्या It's not a big deal, man.
Fuck, हैन त
It's finally done after 2 hours hard work. Team Chandan and Jimmy and MIPHAM चाहिँ अलि जाडो भएर भिडियो गर्छ
Wait, you have to wait. No, man. No, Barcelona, man. I'm a Real Madrid fan, guys.
That's for my picture.
As a Barcelona fan, Salah चाहिँ Ronaldo fan. Alright.
Are you-
Oh my goodness, look at that, Mipham.
Hi, snowman. Alright.
Alright.
Alright. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share.
Alright, don't forget to do that. Alright, and thank you very much.